rest will sing joyfully, for the sweet desires are ready for me from the rich, supremely honored lordship, from which I hold my heart and my body and my mind. And whoever may counsel or reproach me for it, in loving you I am on the straight path, from which I shall never depart. For with a true faithful heart I give myself wholly to you, lady, in truth the noblest whom I can see. Lady, all fair qualities are ready in your noble person, and the honored dear lordly word, and your deeds are of graciousness, and your words pleasing and humble with gay noble company. Ah, when shall I see you? I have great longing for it, yet though I do not speak my pleasure to you, never did anything make so fair a sight. Never from your fair, pleasing person, although my eyes are not present to you, once I was in your lordship. Never since have I had forgetfulness, and because I speak truth and no guile, 1,000 will marvel at it. I shall unfold no more, but you know that I am here in your power, with great desire to see you. Ah, when shall I see you? I have great longing for it. I have great longing for it. She denied me very sweetly one time when I was presumptuous about it. So from the honored lordship I have never since turned my firm desire, for I fix all my heart upon it, so that in May nor in the time of April I shall have no great joy. For it is not at all fitting that at Eastertide I should have joy. Unless indeed I should go to see you. False, evil speaking slanderers, may you be ready for every ill, and I for the honored lordship that holds me joyful despite your will. You think yourselves too subtle in that vile trade of yours, but there is one who pleases me, who cast all of you down, and because you have such base knowledge, may you lose hearing and sight for it. Never at any time did I have enough leisure, good lady,